So we are just super connected all the time nowadays. We always have the internet in our pockets. We carry our cell phones with us. People can always get in touch with us. We get so many spam calls and even spam texts now. And sometimes you just want to leave all that behind. So that's where this device right here comes into play. This looks a lot like a phone, but it's not at all a phone. This is an MP3 player. Now, before you click off, while it may look like a simple MP3 player, the more I fiddle with this, the more I really like it. It does take a few seconds for it to boot up, but the screen is super nice. It says it runs on Android, and you can see that a little bit in the menus and things like that, but it does not do everything that an Android does, and that's a good thing. For example, one of the things that it's missing is a Play Store. You can't install more apps on this. It comes with a total of 24 apps, and some of those you're not going to want to use because you have several apps for music. You really don't need that many. You have several apps for ebooks. Once again, you're probably going to pick your favorite one and just use that. And you can't uninstall apps either. So what you see is what you get with this. Now that being said, I could definitely see myself using this. If you just want to take music with you, if you want to go escape, go for a walk, not be connected to the rest of the world, but you want some music, this is a great choice. Now that being said, you'll want to make sure you download the music to the device first because it has Wi-Fi but not cellular. But you can download quite a bit. It has 32 gigabytes of internal memory, and it comes with another 128 gigabytes on an SD card. And that's going to plug in right here, and it shows up right there. So that should be plenty of room for any kind of music. So let's just check out the music real quick. It comes with an FM radio, and even though it has speakers, you need to plug in your headphones because those serve as the antennas. Speaking of the headphones, I really like these. This device comes with very premium headphones. This is what they look like from the back and the side. They fit into the ear very comfortably. They came with additional earpieces as well, but I'm just using the ones that came pre-installed, and they feel very nice. And this may sound silly, but the cord is really nice as well. It just feels so soft, so nice, so sleek. You have plenty of room. It's really long. They did not skimp out on the headphones. Anyway, let's plug these in. Then to start the radio, you just hit play, and they immediately start playing in the headphones. But if you want to switch it to the speaker, you just tap this icon. And it starts playing there as well. I think the speaker is okay. It could be a little tinny at times, but like I said, these earphones are awesome. Really good bass, really clear sound. I definitely recommend these earphones. They're great. Another cool thing about FM radio is that you can actually record. So say you're listening to the radio. So that's another way you can get music onto the device, just by recording off the radio. Very cool. All right, enough about that. While it doesn't have a YouTube app, it does have Chrome. So you can certainly go to YouTube on Chrome and then watch or listen to anything that you want to there. And same with Facebook. Even though there's no Facebook icon, no app installed on the device, you can certainly use Chrome and log into Facebook that way. So it's truly a multimedia device, not just an MP3 player. And you've got standard stuff like clocks and timers, stopwatch, even a calculator, these kinds of things. This would make a great device for a kid who doesn't need a phone, but sees you playing on your phone, and it's something for them to enjoy. Or also, like I said, just taking it, going off into nature, being able to listen to music and disconnect from the internet for a while. So I'm really glad that they sent me this. I can definitely see a lot of use scenarios for this, and I recommend it. Works good.
If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. I'm Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, I'm on a quest to review literally everything sold on Amazon. So if there's something that you need a review of, literally just tell me. Let me know in a comment, and I'll literally buy it and just review it for you. Literally.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.